little bit more small. Not easy for me to make a fire. This is the technique. If you want to do a fire, use a small twig in a way very quick. See that? Oh, in a very quick. And then I just put that one there. And then this one. I wanna use my knee like this. Oh no. See that? Then here's another one. I'm going today menu called BolaBola. But before that, I'm going to prepare first my seasoning here. Like this. This is the onion leaf, the red bell pepper, the orange red bell pepper, garlic, and my onion. I'm going to chop this in a small. And then I will do my bell pepper here. My food that has a different color. It seems like a decoration, like if you make cake like that. I will chop again, small, and I have onion here. There we go, guys. I have here my pork. I have here a pork, 1 piece of egg, and 1/4 cup of flour. Now I'm going to put a seasoning on my pork, a little bit of black pepper, and I have a garlic salt. I have smoked paprika. There you go. And then I have egg. I'm going to put egg here, like that. And then I'm going to mix this with the egg. And then I'm going to put my seasoning here, like pepper, my onion leaves, onion, black pepper, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, and my 1/4 cup of flour. There you go. Wind blowing up. Now I'm going to mix this like that. Now I'm going to set aside this one first so that my seasoning will be goes to the meat. There you go, guys. I already set this for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to make a balls here because I'm going to cook that later. See? Way. That's why we call this BolaBola, because it's circle. Guys, this one is my pot where I can cook my BolaBola. So what I did is I wipe an oil on this so that by the time I will clean this, it's easy. I put oil inside and out, but the outside is very important to me because the charcoal out of the wood will not really stick too much. I am ready to cook my BolaBola. Okay, guys, I'm going to put my oil here until it's boiling. There you go. That's my oil. And I'm going to cover that one. There you go, guys. If you can see my oil, it's about to boil. That means this is already hot. Now I'm going to put my BolaBola. Yeah, hey, I have a BolaBola here. BolaBola number 2. And BolaBola number 3. BolaBola number 4. Ah, this is really good. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? And you know, guys, what I like on this too is I cook it in a wood and have a different smell. It's like a smoke and a natural cooking for 1940. Then there is no stove. They're just only using a wood. So I am master on this cooking using wood. There you go, guys. Huh. My BolaBola. Jumble, jumble, jumble. I'm hungry. Jumble, jumble, jumble. Guys, this is my secret. My trip cooking. In anywhere I stop. My travel. Jumble, jumble, jumble. There you go, guys. As you can see, my BolaBola is almost done. See that? Oh, see? That's my BolaBola. Jumble, jumble, jumble. Jumble, jumble, jumble. Woo! I love this. I love the way I cook here. There you go, guys. This is my tricks, guys. Because I want to dip on my vinegar, so I'm going to do this. Wait, this is done already. Look, it's brown. Even inside on that is brown. You know why? Because before I put it a while ago, I see to it that my oil is very, very hot. And see that? And then I have a vinegar on this. But even I don't have a vinegar, I can eat this through this way. Really good. The consistency of the egg and the pepper and pretty. I like it. Okay, guys, I'm going to put now on my bowl here like that. The way I eat this, so I will not be burn my hands. I will do that way. Look, and then this is my vinegar with salt, chop, ginger, garlic, pepper. Ooh. Really good. Oh, hot. It's good. You want more? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Next time, I wanna let you eat this one too. I'm just teasing, but I'm hungry here. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. Bye bye.